guys, remember to pick up an issue of The Prairie out every Tuesday.
Hey guys, welcome to the Hollywood Social. I'm Connor.
And I'm Tori.
And we're here to bring you the latest in Hollywood news.
So I have some pregnancy news.
Alright, let's tell us about it, Tori.
Well, if you've been living under a rock for the past few weeks, I guess this is news. Kim Kardashian is knocked up. Oh.
By the one and only
Kanye
West. Yes.
Woo! So, word on the street though is that they are not planning on getting married. They are planning on focusing on the baby for a while. Have a new reality show along with it.
You never know. I mean, it could be in with their new house that they're planning on getting into. You know, it could be.
Oh yeah, what's around that? I heard they're building a big mansion in Hollywood, right?
False. Actually, Kim Kardashian said that they wanted to raise their child in a more secluded environment, and I mean, what's more secluded than probably a beach house on Malibu, right?
True, like Kim and Kanye take suburbia. I feel this happening. Okay.
Yeah, there we go. Another reality show plug right there.
Right, and Kanye actually has been appearing on Keeping Up with the Kardashians lately, so it'll be a good segue. It'll make sense.
Yeah.
So it's a happy ending for everybody. Kim loves Kanye, Kanye loves fame, the Kardashians love fame. There you go. Just remember, you can't get rid of this baby after 72 days, okay? Have you heard of Catherine Webb?
I have not. Tell me about her.
See, no one really had until the Bama Notre Dame championship game. Catherine is dating the quarterback of Bama. They had met on Twitter, actually, where they had been hooked up.
Wow.
And so they've been dating for, I think, just a few weeks. And she went to go support her man in the game, just sitting in the audience, and a camera just, panned over the crowd, and one of the announcers said something about, oh, there's the quarterback's beautiful girlfriend, he gets the best girls, like, just, nice stuff about her. Well, people got offended by that. And so he had to,
wow.
Yeah, he had to issue an apology for saying that she was beautiful. Not hot, not sexy, beautiful. So then, Catherine released a statement saying, thank you for the apology, it meant a lot, but it's not needed. Because she even agreed that beautiful is not derogatory toward girls. In today's world, girls get called so many things, but she was arguing that beautiful is not a bad thing to be called, and I completely agree with that.
Yeah, I agree. American Idol debuted Wednesday night, and actually everything was kind of put in the background besides, Nicki Minaj and the Mariah Carey, kind of like their little feud the whole time. There was some good acts, there were some very good singers that came on that show, and some good auditions, but kind of went in the background to Nicki Minaj and Mariah Carey. Mariah Carey talking about her 17 years of #1 hits, whatever, and
Nicki's not going to put up with that.
No, she did not put up with that. She actually called her a very not nice name.
Female dog.
3 times, yes.
Well, so we have that reality gold. We have Catherine Webb, who's the new sensation, and we have Kim and Kanye take suburbia. So I think we're doing pretty good in the world of reality right now.
I think so too. I think things have come a long way.
Well, I'm Tori.
And I'm Connor.
And thanks for watching The Hollywood Social. Hey guys, I hope you all had a great break and welcome back for this semester. The Hollywood Social is going to be back, so stay tuned.
Be sure to visit us on our social media pages and also get the app for WTAMU where you can get the latest in Prairie News, The Eternal Flame, and KWTS.